All right, so here we are on Color Picker, and the reason I like this website, there's a lot of ads on it, unfortunately, which is kind of annoying, but you can load an image into here, and just as you hover over this image, it's going to change the color of the hex code that you have here, so you can extract any sort of color that you want. So if you want to upload an image and do that, you can. It also auto-populates a color palette too, so you can just select them and they'll auto-populate the colors of where you may see them as well. So I think it's super cool. You can use your image just by clicking on this here. But if you like to just simply pick your own colors, you can click on Color Picker here and then simply just adjust the color that you want, right? So I think we're going to do something along the lines of, let's not do green this time. I usually do green. I want to do kind of maybe a blue. Blue's not bad. Like a light sea or baby blue. I don't know if sea blue is an actual color, but I call it that anyways. Sea goes fine to me. All right, so we're going to start there. That's going to be one of our colors. So we have shades here. So shades are awesome because you can use different shades of that color. I usually like to pick a light color as my primary, or whichever color as my primary, and then choose different darker shades. I'm always going to go with the black and a white and probably a gray as well. Those are my alternate, supporting colors. But as a additional color within that shade of blue, I want to probably do something a little bit darker, just contrast it a little bit. You could also do tint as well. So that's where the white kind of comes in here. And then you have different color combinations as well. But usually I like to go down to monochromatic because all of these are just too bright, too bold, right? Unless you're looking at this one here, whichever word that is, and all these other options aren't really the best. Complement isn't always too bad, but it can be not the best when it comes to UI design. So I usually stick with monochromatic for the most part. But here we have our colors. So we're going to click on shades here. So I have my primary color here. I'll probably pick this one or this one, and then a black and a white as well. So those are going to be the colors I picked for this dashboard. So looking at the shades, I really want to determine which color scheme do I want. Do I want a light theme? Do I want a dark theme? Do I want to create a selector so you can toggle between them both? You can if you want to. That is a little bit more complex, so you have to replicate your dashboard and then simply just have a duplicate of it and then create a theme for each one. I don't want to do that here though. I just want to simply stick with one color theme. So I'm going to try to figure out exactly which one I want as my background color, because once you figure out your background, then the rest kind of comes in easily. So with that in mind, let's go back to Power BI. We're going to saturate our color into our dashboard.